So first tree is this one, which with my usual measuring puts us just on the edge of that garden. I'm going to aim it for about there, but if I cut it a metre or so up above the base and do it basically about, I don't know, half a metre below the union, it should be just short. Looks way too tall, and I'm going to measure again. Let's see if we can do this, eh? Let's see how we did. Haven't checked the other end yet. Beautiful cut. What did we hit? Yeah, baby. I knew it slightly tickled the cherry, but that is wonderful. Really wide open face. I've already started lifting it a bit. Extra material on this side. Rope around all the limbs and back to the truck. So here we go. I'm going to video this. Absolutely spot on fire today. Radio, same again. Truck, winch. It's got a lot of backhang, massively open face, very open face. Bunch of material this side, the other side's mostly cut up. Let's see what happens. Coming up. That hinge just hangs on long enough. We shall be all good. Hinge is hanging on so well that it's not even let go, despite the fact that it's rotated over massively. And we're down. Look at that. Bossing it. Absolutely bossing it.